Okay, when you land on home page, usually you would want to check the calendar, and you can scroll up to see your class and see if you have Wordwall this week. What is going to be a bit different, and from now on where you're going to find this is by looking, let's say this is your class French 1, in which unit we're at. So we are now in unit 2. And this week we have a word wall called semester 2 verb review. If you were in, for example, these are all samples. In Spanish class, we would look at the lesson we're on, lesson 2, and see if we have word wall, and it's called higher numbers, okay? And then for French 1, for example, we're in unit 6. So now that we know in which unit we are and which one is the word wall, we're actually going to go to that unit. So I'm only going to just pretend that I am a French 1 student right now, and I'm going to go to unit 2 and find the word wall called S2 verb review. So watch, here we go. And then as you can see, you're going to see word wall, you're going to see a bunch of them. You're going to find the one that is due this week. And here we have 1, 2, and 3 of them. 3 different activities to be done. So what will happen is you're going to click and do this activity, and you are then going to check if your name appears. And this check mark is the link that gets you to the page where you see if you have completed the activity. So first you do it. Please make sure when you work on the activity, if you haven't before, put your last name and then your first name. So this is a sample. So if you haven't, then just say that's not me, and then enter the name and then start. So again, last and first. And then the computer will memorize. You don't have to do that every time. And then you start the activity, and let's pretend you've done it. You want to know if you have finished this activity. You go back over here, and the activity to be finished here is anagram. So you would go and check if your name appears. And you got to scroll down. I'm the only one who completed this right now for this video. And you have to scroll down and see if your name is over here, down here. And as you can see, here is my sample name, last and first. I have quite a bit of score, a good score. Maybe you'll do better on this type of activity. The activities will change from week to week. And Mrs. Marca will enter the grade for this activity. That's about it. As you can see, the activities this week are this. In the future could be something different. Here is my advice. Please do not do the activities that are following ahead of time, because I will wipe the results and you will have to redo them. So just wait. Doing them before we're learning, it's not going to help you. So I assign them when I know for sure that you're going to need this activity this week. So just, again, refer to the calendar each time, each week, and complete work as we go. That's about it. And if any questions you have in class, you just go ahead and keep asking. Just make sure, again, that you complete all 3 activities, and you can double check the name that you have done work. This way there are no confusions when the grade is entered. Gracias, merci.